Okay, so this is how to check Google Classroom from your phone. This is really useful if you want to upload photos or take photos and directly upload them from your phone into the classroom. So I have the app, which you should download if you're going to use a phone. I'm going to press it. And I'm signed in as my school email address, which is key. And again, here's all my classes. You can look through them. I could press the hamburger menu in the top left and look through them there too. I can see what I'm teaching and what I'm enrolled in. And so let's click grade 3, Mr. Bower's class. Again, you have the stream, which you can see here at the bottom. You can look through all the different announcements and assignments and such. If you press the middle button, which is classwork, you can see what classwork is due. So I have this math virtual days 3 and 4. Let's click that assignment. And then so this is what it says. We have looked at fractions as part of a set, etc., etc. So you can look and see what's due. At the very bottom, it says your work. You can add comments. If I swipe up, here's the documents that are automatically created for my account. I can press one of them and it'll open up right here. And this is really neat because you can edit directly onto the assignment. If I press the pen at the top right of the screen, it brings up this window and I could document this. So my name, oh, that's my son. I'm sorry. So on this screen, I can actually draw my name and document it. The day I have really fat fingers. Oh, and you can undo too at the top of the screen or redo. All right, so there's that. And then you could save it when you're ready. You could answer how many letters are in my name. 4, save, and then it saves it as a PDF. Now, let's say you rather print this. You can do that too. You could print it, draw on it, and if possible, I would recommend doing that because it's neat. When you're done with it, on this screen, you can add an attachment. So you can use the camera. I'm going to take a picture of my son's head. Imagine that was the actual document. I'm going to use it. And then when you're all done, you would turn in the assignment. And then Mr. Bower can see it on her end. So I'm going to turn it in now. And there it is. Turned in. I can unsubmit it if I realize I want to do some more work. And that's how you do it. Again, if I go to the menu here, if I go to the calendar, I can see what's due here. And when I press things, it goes directly to it. Like pressing this, I'll be back in Ms. Shea's class. If I go directly to it, it'll open up the classroom. And this is what I showed on the PC version of it. There's the attachments. So that is that. Hope this helps. Have a nice day.